Hi, it's Todd Gross, and welcome to VideoMakerFX. Boy, do I wish I had this when I started making videos online. This is a game-changing video creation software that creates amazing videos in just minutes. Stunning video sales letters, Hollywood studio-like animated character videos, whiteboard videos which are so popular now, and just about any other style that you could think up. You could easily, in fact, make videos for your own products or services, video reviews, videos for offline businesses, of course. You name it. The best part, you can profit from your videos with no restrictions, no watermarks, no complicated software to deal with. Don't believe me? Well, just watch, because you're about to see some sample videos made solely with VideoMakerFX. And remember, you can make an unlimited number of them with no restrictions for life. Pretty awesome, right? Finally, professional video creation for everybody. Not just those that are really knowledgeable with software and in fact expensive software and have features that you don't even need. VideoMakerFX is targeted for everybody, but especially for marketers and businesses, so you can make videos that engage, captivate, and convert your viewers into buyers. So stop making boring, plain slideshows, because a fully customized video that would normally cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars is now within your reach in just minutes, and for an incredible one-time price. Let me pass it over, in fact, to creator Peter Rozak as he shows you this amazing software and just how easy it is to make a video. Peter?
Hey guys, it's Peter here, and you're looking right now at the VideoMakerFX video creation software, which, as you can see right now, it's been remarkably simplified, but it doesn't mean you're cutting back on any power at all. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of scenes I've already added to my project here in the software. And it just shows you how easy and powerful it is. You get a live preview right here. You can easily customize everything about your scenes right here on the right side. So let's say I want to customize this scene with my own text here. As you can see, it's just instant. Everything updates right away. You can customize all of your text. You can customize all of your effects quickly and easily. There's so many different scenes here. In fact, there's over 240 different scenes like this with the software, and you can mix and match all of them and do everything so you can make your own perfect video. At the bottom, we see here the total time of my project, which is 45 seconds. And on each scene, you'll see exactly how long the scene is. And you can also control these scenes so they're longer or shorter. So you can make your video exactly how you want it to be. Here, let me show you just how easy it is to add a slide. Just click the Add Slide button, and I'm going to add a whiteboard slide. So there you go, just like that, you have a scene added into your video with a hand placing text, just like the expensive videos do it. And there's just so many different scenes. Like I said, guys, there's over 240 of them. Let me show you just how easy it is to control the different colors and effects of every single scene that you have. It just takes seconds and it's updated as you go along. As you can see, there's just you can add your own effect to any of your scenes just instantly. Let's take a look at some of the special effects that we can add. And just like that, instant backgrounds added into your video so they have a special effect. You can also add and configure your own audio, and that's done right through this panel here. You can use your own music and you can use your own voice track. You can also record right in the software, and we have 20 royalty-free premium music tracks included. Guys, there really couldn't be anything easier to make an engaging and incredible video than with VideoMakerFX. This software is so simple and easy to use, and once you're done with your video and you're ready to export it, it's just going to take you just a few minutes to export it, unlike some of the other big name softwares where it takes you hours sometimes to export your video. This just runs so fast, and it's just so quick and easy to use that anybody can make a video quickly and easily. Alright guys, so you've seen this amazing software and you're probably still wondering, why video and why VideoMakerFX? Well, first of all, let's talk about video. Video converts, plain and simple. A great video, that is, and up to 3 times more. It's been proven time and time again. We all know it, and all the top products and services out there always have a video. Did you know that YouTube is set to become 90% of the internet's traffic by 2017? So you just can't afford not to have a video. With VideoMakerFX, you have no excuse not to make easy and incredible videos in just minutes. Video is engaging, and it positions you as the authority, commanding your viewers to trust and, of course, buy from you. But the big problem stopping you and most other marketers and businesses from making videos is that video is time consuming, expensive, really a big headache at times to plan and produce. Well, no longer, because with VideoMakerFX, unlimited amounts of unique and high quality videos are just a few clicks away. So save your time and money with VideoMakerFX. But what about the other ways out there to make videos? Well, you see, to make the types of videos on the type of level of VideoMakerFX, you had just a few choices and they weren't all that appealing. First, you could invest in a $595 video animation software by a big company and make the video from complete scratch. But the cost isn't the only thing. You're gonna need to take weeks or months out of your business to master this software. And we all know that's not an option in today's world. And the next thing that you could probably do is outsource the video. Well, for even a decent video, you're looking at paying hundreds to thousands of dollars for a single video. You're gonna need to invest your time as well to properly plan that video, review it, revise it, the list goes on. Well, you're probably thinking Fiverr. Well, I think you should see that for about 10 seconds of video, that's all you're getting for $5. So it's not as cheap as you think. And then if you want the video in high definition, which is a must these days, they're gonna charge you another $25 gig for that. So it all adds up. And then we have templates and other video creation services. Well, for a single template, you're looking at paying $145 on average for just a template that gives you a license to use it with only one of your products or with one of your clients. And you'll still need that expensive software or other expensive online service to use it. And unless you pay an additional fee, they're going to put a watermark on your video and also limit you to what you can actually do with that video. And finally, we have the boring old slideshow. And that certainly won't get any attention from your viewers, and it will just be about the least exciting thing they see all day. So that you should just forget about. VideoMakerFX crushes all of these obstacles for you. It saves your precious time, it saves your hard-earned money, and you can create an unlimited amount of unique and incredible videos in just minutes, all at your command. You're going to absolutely love using and making videos in VideoMakerFX. In fact, I'm sure you're going to be absolutely thrilled. Never has it been this fast and easy to make videos. Again, you can create any kind of video, from video sales letters, character animated videos, explainer videos, whiteboard videos, kinetic typography videos, and so much more. You've never seen any software do this much. There are over 240 different scenes you can use and really unlimited possibilities. Guys, you're getting something that I can't even put a price on. Full unrestricted developer rights to all of your videos. Sell and profit from your created videos however you want. Sell them to businesses or anyone else easily for hundreds of dollars. That's how valuable a video made in VideoMakerFX is. This is a software you can use to start making money today. So click the button below this video right now and get instant access to VideoMakerFX. And never worry about making a video again. We offer a full 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. I'm absolutely 100% certain that you're going to love this software. And it's going to be one of the most valuable investments you make to growing your business and leveraging the incredible power of video. So guys, this is one exciting software, and I urge you now to lock in your access, because this special launch price is not going to last long at all. In fact, this software would normally sell for at least 5 times the price I'm offering it now. So now's your chance to get the best possible price on VideoMakerFX. So click the button below and I'll see you on the other side.